white shirt, now red, my bloody nose sleeping. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while, I know, please pardon me. I am going through so much, really so much, honestly, because, you know, by the way, this hair is from Alipel. Yes, this is I think 250 density and 30 inches. Yeah, and it's deep wave. So that's, by the way, this video is not sponsored. You know, guys, when you are in the world and you don't believe that this is who you are, and because you're new, you know, when God changed you, you don't believe you're new you're still looking back, like, not like you're looking back, but you know that girl that you used to be, and you still do not believe that you are this person today. But you can see changes, because I don't go to the nightclub anymore. You know, I don't do things like the way I normally do it, for like naughty things. I don't smoke anymore. I used to be high. I don't get high anymore. So this is like for 4 years or 5 years I've stopped being high, smoking and doing all those things. I don't even drink anymore. I don't go out. I always study the Bible, do fasting every week. So it's a huge thing for me. I don't even wear trousers anymore. The only trouser I wear is I do taekwondo, and that's the only thing I do. But other than that, I wear wig because I love it. Anyways, guys, I'm here today to show you guys that I've changed my cream. I no longer use the fair and white cream, because it's quite expensive and it takes time to tone your skin. Like, I want to get, like, not really light, but I want my skin to be bright. So the fair and white does not give me that fast action that I want. But I don't want something that is dangerous, something that will destroy my skin. So I decided to try this one, which I'm going to keep you guys updated. And guys, if you don't have this container, please get it. I think you can get this container from anywhere. I can't remember where I got this container, but I know I got it from... It's a product that I bought for the hair. So when it finished, I now peel off the label and wash the container. Since then, I've been using it, and it's two. I use this for my face cream, and I use this for my body cream. And the reason I like it is because, you know, normally cream is not good to be exposed to the sun. So this prevents that. This helps keep the cream really, really well, because when you mix your cream, look at your cream, normally it changes color after some few days or few weeks. But with this container, it doesn't. It's barely, not, as in, I have not seen that. So it doesn't look. If you're seeing the change, it's outside, because this is, anytime you open it, you'll see it. So you're seeing it by the side there, but inside is just, even on the cover, it's difficult. Like, it's rare. Let me just, it's rare. So I kind of like this container. It's very good. I'm going to wash it. I'm going to clean the body, but it's not really necessary, because I have so many things to do. I've got 2 kids, and at the moment, I'm taking care of my kids alone. So, guys, I have Instagram page. If you want to follow me up there, I do preaching. I preach the word of God on my Instagram. God has been giving me so many visions about people, but I haven't found that time of telling them the visions. Every Tuesday is my Bible study, which I'm going to be doing night vigil every end of the month. Every end of the month. It's not like every last Friday of the month. No, every end of the, as in the day to the new day of the next month, I'm going to be doing night vigil. So if you're interested, you can join me on live on Instagram. My prayer is violent, because it depends where you're coming from. You know, I come from a mystical home, so I have to be really, really strong. You know, when you are coming from a home where you're associated with the marine, you're not just with witchcraft, but with the marine, you have to be really strong if you want to break out. So my prayer is quite violent, and I know some of you, it might be too much for you, but listen, there's always a new beginning to everything you do in life. If you want to be free, if you really want to be free, I think you should join me. I'm going to be starting night vigil every end of the month, every end, the end of the day, the end of the month, that is to begin with a new day. So we have to end so that we can speak into the womb of the next month. So if you're ready, please don't forget to join me on Instagram page, Discover God with me, discover_God with me. Now, today, what I brought here with me is the I just peeled off the skin. I just peeled off the the label, but this is what it is. It's White Secret. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes. Okay. White Secret. Yeah. So this is White Secret, and this is what I want to be using. I've used it before on my face, and I was using this and Laba Janice, and it was working really well for me. I don't know why I changed. It didn't give me any stretch mark. Now I want to use this. I want to use this and the oil. I just want to use the oil, but I'm still going to be using my black soap, the Odudu Shun soap, because it's really good for my skin. I like it. It doesn't dry my skin. It's just good for me. What I do is that at night I rub my olive oil. In the daytime I rub this. But you can rub this, because I like to rub my olive oil at night. You can rub your olive oil in the daytime. In the night you rub your cream. But I do it the other way around because of experience. It's not experience about cream, no, it's experience spiritually. So I do that on my own terms with God, the instruction directed by God. This cream, when I used it, I don't need to apply it all the time, and it worked. It gave me an amazing result. So that's why I want to go back to it. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to rant too much. I just want you guys to see how I mix it. I'm going to take one of these. I've used it before. Look, I've started already. So it's good. It doesn't give me any stretch mark. Guys, I've got 2 kids. I've got stretch marks on my thighs, but this does not heal the stretch mark. I've used it. You can see it. I've used it. You can see the container. Yes, I've used it. This does not heal the stretch mark. What it does is that it fades. It fades it. It doesn't heal the stretch mark. It doesn't take the stretch mark off, but it fades it. I don't know. It's doing something, which is good. But I don't like the smell. That's why I stopped it before. The smell feels strong. It's not nice. Like, it doesn't have that baby smell, that nice smell. That's why I stopped it. But now I want to go back to it again because it's affordable and it's good. So what I do is I mix this. I take one. I use this spoon. Take one of that, or you can just take. That's it. I put it in the container. This spoon doesn't have any measurement. This is normal tablespoon, not teaspoon, but tablespoon. You can see it. Normal tablespoon. So just 1 full tablespoon. Really full tablespoon. So that's it. The reason I do that is I don't like mixed cream to stay that long. I like it to always be fresh. So that 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. I like to use 1 tablespoon, honestly. Let me not do too much because of the video. I just want to keep it real. So now I'm going to take the Fair and White Lightening Oil Care. This has expiring date. You can see it, guys. It has expiring date, which I like. And it's going to expire by 2023, April 2023. It was done April 2021. So I'm going to take 1 full tablespoon of the oil and I'm going to put it in the cream. Right, guys? I'm going to mix the both of them. Just keep mixing it. I'm just roughly mixing it. Then I'm going to add this cream to it. This is cocoa butter. And this is 48-hour moisture. Intensive body lotion. Smooth, max, and toned skin. Yeah? So I'm going to put that. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 press of that. Normally I just put this together, but because of the video, that's why I'm doing this. Well, that's what I do. So I mix all of them together. The reason I add that, so it doesn't dry my skin off. I love that cocoa butter. It's really nice. It's good. They have different type, but this is the one. If you want something to tone your skin, this is good. I've used just that cream before when I was in Singapore, and you know, in Singapore, it's difficult for you to get a lightening cream, so you get things like that. You only go to Malaysia if you want to get things like to lighten your skin and all that. So that's the only thing we could see in Singapore then. That was about years ago, about 7 years ago. So guys, you have to mix this well, and if you think that it's too thick, you add another 1 tablespoon of the serum. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. 1 leveled tablespoon of the serum. I'm going to mix everything together. Alright guys, this is the White Secret cream. That's, you can see that's the same. Then I just peel the cover off, because you know, if you want to take the seal off, you have to peel everything off. That's basically it. And that's it. I bought backup. That's what I always do. So I bought lots of backup in case I don't have money. I prepare myself ahead. So guys, after mixing it, this is what it's gonna look like. Oof, almost dropped it. That's what the consistency is gonna look like. I normally like my cream to be runny. When it's watery, it sinks in very fast. That's the honest truth. So I don't want to add more serum, but looking at it, I'm gonna add more serum because I like my cream to be lighter than that. That's too thick. So I'm gonna take another tablespoon of the serum. I'm gonna put it inside the cream. I'm gonna mix it, and now it's better. At least we basically added 3 leveled tablespoons of the serum and 1 full tablespoon of the cream. Don't forget that. And 4 press of the cocoa butter cream. So when you finish mixing it, you see it's a little bit not so thick anymore. See that? So we're gonna just use that, and that's what it's gonna look like. So that's it, guys, for the cream. And so done with the cream. It's quite dirty. That's the face cream. So now I'm gonna take it off the back. That's it. That's what it looks like. I bought this from eBay. I'm gonna leave the link in my description box. I know people say you get fake from eBay, but God has been blessing me. And I've not been getting fake from eBay. So I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna put it into this. I'm gonna turn it into this container with my finger. Now guys, that's the face cream. I still like to mix the face cream with the serum, but I like to use 2 serum because I'm extra. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of that. That's with the serum. You can leave it, you can stop at that. So I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury magic serum. It's very, very good for the skin. It's very good. It's very good for your face. I'm gonna take 3 squeeze of that. Yes. 3 of that. And that's it. So I'm gonna mix everything together. So after mixing it up, that is what the consistency is gonna look like. Yeah, if you want your face to be glowy, you know, to have that glowy look, what I do is I put the iconic London Illuminator, and this is in Glow. Or if you've got Sleek, you can put Sleek. And this is an Bombay. It's either one of the 2. You see, they both look alike. So you can use the both of them. Or if you've got iconic London Illuminator in original, which is that, you can add that. But I like to use the iconic Illuminator in Glow. Shake it very well. 3 drops. I'm gonna mix it up. So when you finish mixing it up, that's what it's gonna look like. See, the color changed, which is really nice. Honestly, guys, when you apply this on your face, it's gonna leave your face with that shine that will make people, wow, what did she put on her face? What is that? What is that? What is that? But I think 1 drop for each illuminator is the best. And guys, mind you, all my cream is directed by God, honestly. I don't just go for cream. I go where my spirit tells me to go for it. Honestly. People say bad things about this cream, and that is what they say. That's their own experience. But my own experience, it hasn't done anything bad to me. We've got different kind of skin. My skin is I have hard skin that is very difficult to get toned. But this tones my skin and doesn't leave my skin with patches. And which I love, and that is nice. And that's it, guys, and that brings us to the end of the video. And that's the cream I've been using recently. I just decided to share it with you guys, and I'm gonna keep you guys updated. So if you want to know how the cream works on my skin, just keep watching my videos and just stay tuned. Just stay tuned, because stay tuned. I don't know when I'm gonna upload, but you know, I don't want to just give you people false feedback. I want to give you people my all. I'm a sincere person, and that's who I am. So I don't want to do something different and say I'm doing something different. If it's bad, I'm going to say, okay, it's bad, don't do this, do that, right? I want to use myself as the example. So it's not easy, so I'm not going to just give you results for 1 day, 1 week. I'm just going to give you results every 2 weeks. That's the honest results. Every 2 weeks, at least you'll see changes every 2 weeks. And because of this, I'm going to keep applying cream every day or once in 2 days. I'm not that type that likes applying cream every day. So if you want to know how the cream works on my skin, if you want to know how the cream, what reaction I had with the cream, details about the cream, stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. So that brings us to the end of this video, and I'd love to see you on my next video. Take good care of yourself and remain blessed, and do not forget to pray. Do not forget to pray. Remain blessed, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.